You walk into a store for one thing, just one, maybe a $10 item. You walk out with $47 worth of stuff and somehow still feel like you saved money. Yeah, that didn't just happen randomly. That was a carefully engineered financial ambush, because companies don't just sell products anymore. They design situations where spending more feels like a good decision. Take the classic one, buy two, get one free. Your brain goes, free? Amazing. But pause for a second, you didn't need three, you needed one. So instead of spending $10, you just spent $20 to save $10. That's not saving. That's upgraded spending with emotional justification. And the worst part? You walk away feeling smart. Then there's the only $3 more trick. You're about to buy something for $12, and suddenly there's a slightly better version for $15. And your brain immediately goes, well, it's just $3 more. Just $3. It's always just a small amount until your total bill looks like a small loan. Because companies know something very dangerous about human psychology. We don't evaluate money in total, we evaluate it in increments. So $3 doesn't feel like money. It feels like an upgrade. Same with subscriptions. $10 a month feels harmless. It's basically invisible, like background noise. But stack 5 of those, and now you're casually paying $50 every month for things you barely use. And somehow canceling them feels harder than signing up, because they made joining easy and leaving slightly annoying. Not impossible, just annoying enough that you say, I'll do it later. You won't. Then there's pricing psychology, which is honestly just emotional manipulation with decimals. $9. $99 feels cheaper than $10, even though your bank account definitely knows the truth. But your brain sees a 9 and goes, ah, affordable. It's like companies are gently lying to you, and your brain is politely agreeing. And don't even get started on limited time offers. Suddenly, you're not just buying a product, you're racing against time. Now it's not about need anymore. Now it's about fear. What if I miss out? What if this deal never comes back? So you panic buy something you didn't even think about 5 minutes ago. Congratulations, you just paid for urgency. Here's the thing most people don't realize. None of these tricks work because companies are evil masterminds. They work because they're perfectly aligned with how we already think. We love feeling like we're winning. We hate missing out. We underestimate small amounts. And we're really good at justifying bad decisions if they feel slightly logical. So companies don't force you to spend more. They just set the stage and let your brain do the rest. And once you see it, you start noticing it everywhere. The deal isn't always saving you money. Sometimes it's just making you spend more comfortably. And that moment when you realize you didn't get a bargain. You just got played a little more politely than usual. Yeah, that's usually the exact moment your wallet starts making a lot more sense.